Hello guys, this is Siptoway. It is no longer news that the metaverse is the next big thing in the cryptocurrency scene, and this is a move that has made Facebook owner to decide to set up a blockchain project and a metaverse kingdom for enthusiast cryptocurrency investors. Let's say literally everyone. And the motive has brought me here to show you around a new metaverse platform on DeFi, one that is building a gaming kingdom, a game fee platform, and a metaverse for everyone entirely without the need for your information at all because it is fully decentralized. So the platform is 4Meta World. Yes, 4Meta World. What is 4Meta World? 4Meta World is an ecological platform for the future of metaverse. It is a platform that aims to integrate DeFi, NFT, game fee, and social networking all on a single platform. How? 4Meta World is going to set up a game fee platform named Meta Fantasy. Meta Fantasy will be a play-to-earn gaming platform. Yes, Meta Fantasy is a game that lets you earn even as you play. It is an NFT game made for you, for me, for everyone on the Binance Smart Chain network. With the Meta Fantasy game, you will have the opportunity to get different NFTs if you desire so. And each NFT have unique and distinctive identifier, which will help you participate in the gameplay on the Meta Fantasy game. Have you seen Metaverse games around? Have you tried other game fee platform before? If yes, then Meta Fantasy is about to be the best. So if you ask me that, okay, why 4Meta World? Why Meta Fantasy game? I'll gladly tell you that with 4Meta World Meta Fantasy gaming platform, you are going to have a continuous stream of income. In as much as you play the game, you get to earn on a daily, weekly, and a monthly basis, depending on your choice of action while involved in the gameplay. Also, as a Meta Fantasy game player, you get profit from NFT sales, you get reward from transaction fees on the Meta Fantasy marketplace, then you get DAO rewards. As a DAO member of 4Meta World, you are able to vote and make a decision based on the platform, based on the Meta Fantasy game. Also, as a DAO member of the 4Meta World Meta Fantasy game, you have the opportunity to become a direct stakeholder. Also, I want you to note that while making DAO decisions on the 4Meta World platform, your decision, your vote will depend on the amount, or let's say the strength of your 4MW holdings. So back to the main question. How do you play the Meta Fantasy game? The debut game of the 4Meta World is going to be launching in few weeks from now. And to participate in the game, you will need, firstly, the 4MW tokens. Why? The 4MW tokens will be charged for each gameplay that you play on the Meta Fantasy game. So if you are anxious about 4MW token, you can see with me the details right on the screen. It has a 500 billion total supply, and this is the token release and allocation for the 500 billion 4MW tokens. The role of 4MW is likewise on the screen. It says to purchase NFT and pay for games, to join staking, farm mining, to participate in DAO governance, to enjoy voting rights. Remember, I mentioned earlier about the DAO governance and also the voting rights for every 4MW token holder to vote, voice, and make a decision as regards development of the 4MW meta fantasy game. Also, this is the return allocation for the 4MW tokens. After getting your 4MW tokens, the next item you need to play the meta fantasy game is the fantasy fairy. There are different types of fantasy fairy, and they come with different techniques, different characteristics, and different colors, of course. This slide will help you see the different types of fantasy fairy NFT that you can be able to get. So guys, after getting 4MW tokens, after getting a meta fantasy fairy, you need your mobile phone or your laptop with a MetaMask the app browser to play the meta fantasy game. Do not forget your 4MW tokens, your fantasy fairy, a the app browser, could be your phone, could be your laptop, and then you are good to play the meta fantasy game when it launches. The second half of the 4 Meta world is the metaverse that is going to be launched, and I'll keep you abreast in another short video. As you can see, the meta fantasy game is still in progress and will be launching very, very soon. So get prepared, get ready. It's time to play the meta fantasy game, and it is time to prepare for the 4 Meta world metaverse kingdom. Have a quick look at the roadmap and get ready. Have a good day.